Emerald Lake. Welcome to Emerald Lake, one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the Yoho National Park in British Columbia. Known for its vibrant emerald hue, this stunning lake gets its color from the tiny particles called the rock floor created by glacial activity. The water can transform throughout the day, offering a mesmerizing display. Surrounded by majestic mountains and lush green forests, Emerald Lake is a paradise for nature lovers and photographers. The incredible scenery provides endless opportunities for capturing unforgettable moments. And do not forget, this area is perfect for picnics. Pack a lunch and enjoy it by the water while soaking in those stunning views. It is a wonderful way to spend quality time with family and friends. Getting here is a breeze. Emerald Lake is just 20 minutes drive from a small town Field, 40 minutes drive from Banff, and around 2.5 hours drive from Calgary. It is the perfect destination for a day filled with an adventure. Once you are here, for those of you who love to explore on foot or by bike, the Emerald Lake Loop is a must. This easy 5.2 kilometers trail is ideal for families and casual hikers alike. Just keep an eye out for local wildlife like elk and deer. Remember to enjoy the sights from a safe distance. In summer, you can kayak or canoe on the lake, experiencing its beauty up close. But when winter arrives, the area transforms into snowy wonderland, ideal for snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. It doesn't matter whether you are looking for adventure, relaxation, or that perfect photo. Emerald Lake is a must-see destination in Yoho National Park. Immerse yourself in nature's beauty and let the peaceful atmosphere rejuvenate you. Thank you very much for joining us on this amazing journey. We hope you enjoyed the beautiful sights we shared. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Ultimate Images for more exciting fun nature adventures.